Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava here, founder of Online Study for You. Today I am going to tell you a very big information about your TCS result. Your next step portal has the complete information about the result or what is going to happen next. Okay, I request all of you to please watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe, because all this information, right, see, based on multiple data, after contacting many students, I bring some kind of genuine information for all of you, right? Okay, so here you can see we are already putting a lot of useful video for all of you now. So friends, if you have written your examination on 20th of March, 21st of March, right? See, many of you, what you have done, so you have already written the exam. So 20th of March, right? 21st of March, then the exam was on 26th of March, then the exam was on 1st of April, okay, the exam was on 3rd of April, right? So at least for this 5 days, the TCS exam has been conducted, okay? Now, so what is the meaning of bashed? Okay, so friends, bashed means you are selected after the written test. So you are selected after the written test, that is the meaning of bashed. Okay, and now you are eligible for the interview, okay, so one by one we will see the complete information about that. So the first next step portal is for 2026 batch candidate, and he has got the offer letter also, 4th of April offer letter. Now let us see one by one. So 22nd of March 2025 the candidate has registered, okay, so last year only the candidate has registered. Then when did he apply? So he applied on 20 of Feb 2026, applied for drive. Then 27th of March, and his exam was on 21st of March 2026. His complete video also will be uploaded on our channel, okay, so his complete video, it's not like that, sir, from somewhere you are just taking the data, okay, no, for everything we will give you the proof. So either today or tomorrow his complete experience video also will be uploaded. Okay, now he has got selected for the digital profile. So 21st of March in the first shift, he had the examination, correct? Okay, after that he received the application form, application form that he filled. So that is what you can see here, application received when 27th of March. So 27th of March he filled that application form, that means he has selected in the written test. Then 28th of March he was bashed, that means now he is eligible for the interview, right? Okay, interview. And then 1st of April he had the interview for the digital role, and then 4th of April the result announced, and he had offer letter generated 4th of April 2026, and the same day after 13 minutes he accepted the offer letter, and again same day, it is 4th of April, he is eligible for ILP also. So he is from the batch of 2026. His interview is coming today or tomorrow. Podcast will be on our channel. Now friends, so if in your TCS next step portal, if the status is bashed like this, okay, so this is from the other candidate, okay, now here you see, so registered on 3rd of September 2025, registration done, okay, 25th of Feb applied for the drive, okay, and then 31st of March application received, that means written test cleared, right? Written test cleared, and that is the reason written test cleared, and that is the reason we are receiving this application, okay. And then 1st of April it is bashed, that means you are bashed, okay, that means you are eligible for the interview. Now the interview will be conducted soon, okay, the interview will be conducted soon, so you please have to wait, because the financial year has, financial year is over now, okay, 31st of March, okay, so 31st of March is the last date of the financial year. So now your interviews will be starting, you do not have to worry, but you are eligible for the interview, right? Okay, so you can check your this one, next step portal. Now this is one more, okay, where candidate has registered on 22nd of August 2025 and 18th of Feb applied for the drive and 27th of March application received, right? Okay, so here the candidate has cleared the written test, right? The candidate has cleared the written test, but the status has not been changed to the best. So for getting the interview call, the status has to be ideally bashed, okay? So this status has to be added here, and then only you will be able to write the interview. Now many people are asking, sir, I wrote the exam on 20th of March, okay, I wrote the exam on, okay, whatever 21st or 26th, okay, or 1st of April, okay, or 1st of April, but I have not received any result, okay? So friends, one thing you all know, okay, before that friends, I request all of you to please do like the video. We really put a lot of effort in bringing the genuine information in front of you. Your one like definitely gives us a lot of motivation. So please do like the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel also. So many of the students are asking, sir, I did not receive any mails. So am I rejected? Okay. Or am I going to receive it? Or am I going to receive it? Okay. I'm going to receive it. So friends, one thing is very, very clear. So if your exam was on 26th, 21st and 26th, 1st April and 3rd of April, then definitely you need to wait. Okay. Definitely you need to wait. Now if your exam was on 20th of March and even 21st of March also, you need to wait. See, TCS doesn't send rejection mail to everyone. So not everyone will be getting the rejection email. No. So let's suppose 100 students wrote the exam. Sorry, 500 or let's say 150 students wrote the exam. 100 are rejected. Now what will happen? TCS will send rejection mail just to 10 students only. 90 students will not be getting any information. So friends, if you are not getting any information after waiting for another 2 weeks, then we can understand that we are rejected. But right now, if you'll ask me or if you'll ask anyone, okay, because many of the students are telling, sir, aptitude I have done this much, reasoning I have done this much, coding you tell me, am I selected or not? So what I answer is, please wait, okay, let us wait for the result. There is a good hope, okay, because I don't want to demotivate you. But see, how many questions are actually correct from apti? How many questions are actually correct from reasoning? How many questions are actually correct from verbal ability? That I don't know. You are saying that, sir, I did 6 or 7, but what is a guarantee that these are correct, right? So neither me nor somebody working in TCS will be able to tell you. So you have to keep checking your email, next step portal, what I said you, okay, and then you have to wait for another 2 weeks, okay, and then definitely anyway before that also I'll be making videos on that. But right now, please don't get panic, okay, because the results will be coming based on, you know, I have told you earlier also, and now also I am telling. See friends, like suppose at online study for you, right, online study for you, okay, so I am hiring, okay, now I need Java trainer first. So what I will do, I will filter out the resume where the Java candidates are there. So first I will give the result for them, okay, and then at the end I will give for Python. I'm just giving an example. So the result comes based on what TCS currently has the requirement, state wise, phase wise, college wise. There are a lot of factors are there. So you please don't get demotivated, don't get depressed, okay, asking rejected, selected. No one knows the information, dude. See, I am like your big brother, you are like my younger brother, younger sister. If I have any information, see, trust me, the information what a student are having now, at least we have more information than them. So if there is anything, we will definitely bring in front of you. Right now, please don't get panic here, okay. When I see you in tension now, when I see you in frustration, when I see you in depression, that directly impacts me as well, okay. So I get worried after seeing you are worried, okay. So don't worry, if there is any information, I'll definitely bring it in front of you. But right now, this is what I wanted to tell you in this video. Please take care of yourself. Tata, bye bye. We will meet soon in the next video.